Hey guys, welcome back to We'll Make It Work. Behind me is the B7. Just kind of figured I'd post a follow-up video to the CTS Turbo Catback exhaust video where I didn't actually attach any sound clips. So yeah, in this one we're gonna be doing a cold start, wait for it to idle down, and then after that, get some flybys on the street here. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, as you saw on the cold start there, I did have some oil coming out of the exhaust pipe, and that's totally because this thing needs valve seats. So I gotta take off the head of the engine and get that done. In the meantime, we're gonna go take it for a rip, get some flybys, let's see what it sounds like. All right, I hope you liked the video. If you're considering an exhaust for the B7, the CTS Turbo one's definitely good. And as for future uploads, I know I've been a little bit slow recently, but I'm planning on doing the, as you could have guessed, valve seat. I gotta repair that, so take off the head, make a video on how to do the valve seats in the B7, repair those. And then at that same time, I'll also probably be doing my timing belt service. And yeah, anything else that you guys wanna see, let me know in the comments. One guy in the comments actually reminded me that I had not done a flyby video with this. I know for a while it wasn't working, my car didn't start. Turns out it was a loose wire under my starter, so go figure, right? Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So I hope you guys like the flyby videos and the exhaust notes. This car does sound just as good in person. Lots of stu-tu-tus and shoo, and that's because of the ECS tuning cold air intake, which I made a video on as well, and I will actually put that in either the info box in the top right of the screen right now, or I'll put it in the end cards. But go take a look at that if you haven't already. I have plenty of videos out for the B7, and if you have this generation Audi and are looking for some content, definitely subscribe. There's gonna be more and more videos coming.